Wait. Wait. Good morning, Samaira.
And Rishan loves that maracle, so he's playing with that. Yes, Rishan.
And looks like Rishan, are you dancing with the maracas?
Yes.
टीचरने घेतल्यावर घ्यायचं सांगितलं नाही का? एक मिनिट.
Good morning, Kyra. Yes, Daddy, you said it's perfect.
We'll wait for our friends to join and then we will soon start.
Yay! So are you all my children super excited? Did you enjoy the around the world trip?
Yes, and today we are going to our last continent.
That is Australia.
Yes, so come on, let's start our day with
prayers. Come on, all my children, join your hands, close your eyes, back straight. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. We can't get over it. It's so deep. We can't get underneath it. So wide. We can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. All my children, clap your hands. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Come on, once again, all my children, join your hands, close your eyes, back straight. Come on, Rishan, sit upright.
Come on, Kanak. Join your hands and close your eyes.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Slowly open your eyes and rub your hands, rub. Place them on your eyes, your face. Are we feeling fresh? Yes! Are we feeling fresh? Yes! Yay! Today all my children are super fresh.
Yes, and all are ready to visit our last continent.
That is Australia.
But before that, are you all ready with our rhyme, continent rhyme? Yes?
Now who has learned the continent rhyme today? Yes. Very good, Kyra. Who else? Kabir Mehra?
Yes, I can see Riva raising her hand, Samaira raising.
Yashika, have you learned? No, okay, no problem,
Vani
Trisha.
is also ready.
Yay!
So we will give them chance to sing, yes?
So let's start with Kyra. Come on, Kyra, let us sing the continent rhymes.
Continent.
They are from
Big. They are
Africa, then South America, Antarctica,
Europe.
Australia.
Yay! Super! Next, let's go to Vani. Come on, Vani.
Your third joined a bit late. Your third joined a bit late.
Yes, no problem, darling. We've just started, so don't worry.
Say.
Once again, children, Mama Vani, can you now unmute yourself?
Say.
Come on.
With the fountain, chest and all.
From
Now,
they are
Asia, Africa, all North America,
Antarctica. Europe.
Australia.
Yay! Wow! Then now let's next go to Samira.
Yes, Samaira, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Come on, let us sing the continent line.
There are 7 continents.
The world is split up into continents. There are
7 continents. There is Asia, Africa, Europe,
North and South America, Antarctica.
Antarctica,
Europe.
Europe, America,
Australia.
Finally,
So the thing is, I have made another rhyme for her to make her understand way before this class. So she's singing that rhyme.
Okay, no problem. So, ma'am, the continent line which we shared was basically from the biggest continent to the small continent. So, the series was Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Super! Very nice. Who wants to sing up next?
come on. Kian is raising his hand, so now Kian is going to sing the rhyme.
Yay! Come on, let's start singing.
The world is split up into
7 continents.
And from big to small, they are
7 continents.
Asia,
Africa,
North
America,
Antarctica, Europe, and finally,
Australia.
yay! Super!
and next is
Riva! Come
Riva.
on, Riva, let's sing the continent rhyme.
The world is split up into continents. There are 7 in all. This is too small. There is Asia and Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Yay! Super!
Then now who else is ready to sing? They can raise their hands.
Arya, you want to try singing, Arya?
Yes, I can see Abir is raising his hand. Yes, Abir, you can sing.
Teacher, good morning.
Abir, 1 second, Abir. What happened, Arya? Would you like to sing the continent line?
Yeah,
Sing.
Yes?
Yes, sing.
last 7 years,
There are 7 continents
7 continents
in
in the world.
The world is split up into continents. There are
7
from
It's too
Too small.
yes.
they are
From
Asia,
Asia,
Africa,
North and South,
America,
Antarctica,
Europe,
Europe.
and finally Australia.
Australia.
Yay! Super! Come on, Abid, your turn to sing the continent rhyme now.
Asia,
The world is
Split. The world is split up into
the world is split up in the continent.
There are
7 in all.
from
From big to small.
they are
Asia, Africa, North North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Super! Very nice.
I can see Kanak is also raising her hand, so let's give chance to Kanak.
Come on.
The world is split up into continents, 7 in all, from big to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Yay! Superb!
Now,
Rishan, would you like to try singing the continent song? Yay! Superb! Come on, let's sing.
the world is
World is bit into continent.
There are
7 in all.
from
Big is too small. They are Africa, North South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Australia.
Yay!
very nice. And now let's give chance to
Swisha, come on, Swisha, let us sing the continent rhyme.
The world is full of continents. There are 7 in all. There are Asia, Africa, North and South America,
Antarctica,
Europe, and finally
Australia. Australia.
Australia.
Yay! Now who next?
Oh,
Kabir
yes,
Mehra,
next
would you like to
is-
try? Okay, no problem. Come on.
Yes, Yashika, it's your chance to sing the rhyme.
the world has become a continent. There are 7 in all, from big to small. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Very good. That's good job.
Very nice.
So today we are now going to visit our last continent, which is Australia.
Yes, Myra? Oh,
Samira, can you be a little clear, darling? We can't hear you.
Cannot become the pilot teacher.
yes,
Of course. Come on, put on your cap and let us.
become our, come on, let's all show all our energy as we are going to visit new country. Let's all gear up, get some passport out, get
And
our bag and
Let us visit Australia.
Oh yes, Trisha is ready.
Very good. I can see all my children. Reva is also ready with a passport. Come on, all my children. It's the last continent. So gear up. Pack up your bags, your luggage, your passport, and let us fly. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Yashika. Yes, we can see your passport is ready.
Yay! Yashika has the passport ready. And now, today our pilot of day is Samira.
Oh, yes. Very good. So come on, Samira, are you ready? Yes, Yashika.
Yes, Yashika. You also want to become pilot? Yes.
So you and Samira both are our pilots for traveling to Australia.
And now,
Yes. Yes, yes.
See my passport.
You ready with your passport?
Yes.
Very good.
So now I am also ready.
You're also ready.
yes.
Today, all my children are ready to go across the continent. Asia?
Yes, we are going to Asia, right, children?
No.
Then which continent? we are going?
Which is Australia. We are going to Australia. Come on, all my children, sit up right. Fasten your seat belts, no moving. And the pilot for today's flight is Samira and Yashika.
And now you are not supposed to move. And here we go.
Wow, super. And now very soon we are going to land in Australia. So whoever has got a globe, come on all my children, let's look for our continent, Australia.
Come on, everyone. Look at your globe and find where is Australia. Yes.
Very good.
Yashika, very nice. Very good, Samira.
Globe.
No problem. Come on, Kabir Mehra, let's find Australia. Good job, Abir.
Come on, Kyra. Come on, Kabir. Come on, Abir. Find where is Australia.
Vani, could you find Australia, Vani? Very good.
Yes, very nice. And we are going to tell you something about Australia, which is very interesting, as Australia is a continent
An island.
and also country.
Because children, if you see your globe, yes?
I know the capital. Canberra.
Yeah,
Nice.
very good. So children, Australia, in around Australia, if you see, there are many small islands. So that entire part is actually called Oceania. But in from all those islands, Australia is the biggest island. So it is also being termed as a country, an island.
And also continent.
Yay! So Australia is the only continent which is an island, a country, and a
To
continent.
remember this nice fact. And now we are going to learn something more about
Australia. So let us see what flag and what kind of flag does Australia have?
And is Australia biggest continent or the smallest continent?
I think it is the biggest.
Biggest. Smallest.
Is it smallest?
Yes, biggest.
Oh, it is smallest continent because when we sing our rhyme, we can understand which is the biggest and which is the smallest.
Yes.
So let us, before we start the Australia information, let us sing the rhyme once again.
Yes. Come on, let's all sing the rhyme all together. The world is split up into continents. There are 7 in all, from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
So finally, Australia means that it is the smallest continent.
And here we go.
Wow, so now let us see the map. Look at the continent, it is so clean, and the capital of Australia is Canberra.
Yes, capital is Canberra, and you must be thinking why we have put this picture of kangaroo and koala, because they are the famous thing about
Australia. So normally whenever we term Australia, the animal what we get is kangaroo, and this is a cute little koala bear which is found in Australia.
Yes, so do remember that the capital of Australia is
Canberra. So then let us see the flag of Australia and the currency.
Yes. So this is the flag of Australia. You can see there are some few stars, and here we have blue background. So all the stars represent different things.
So, and if you see, there is only one star with 5 spikes. Can you see that small one? And all other stars have got 7 spikes on it. And the blue color represents the ocean because it is an island also.
Yes. And what is the currency of Australia? It is Australian
Dollars.
So now children, who can tell us the 3 universal currency?
Euro, dollar, pound. Yes. Dollar, pound, euro.
Very good. So the 3 currencies.
Euro, pound, euro.
Very good. So the 3
Euro,
currencies.
dollar,
The 3 currencies are euro, pound, and dollars. Very nice.
We are going to see some famous thing now.
These are the famous monuments of Australia, and this is specially and a beautiful. The left one is the Sydney Opera House, and the below on the right side you
It
have.
is Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Since children, it is an island also. So, do you know what is an island?
Does anyone have any idea? Can anyone tell?
It's surrounded by water.
Very
Yes.
good. So it is surrounded by water. So now that Australia is surrounded by water, you ought to know that many things in terms of transportation from one country to the other, maximum things happen via water. This is the Harbour Bridge, which is an en route from Australia to many other countries.
Yes.
Sydney Opera House is the biggest musical house.
Yes, so these are the famous thing about Australia. There are many more things like this, but these are the known ones.
Yes, and Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge are very close to each other. Can you see? You can also see in the Harbour Bridge photo, you can see the Sydney Opera House also there. Can
Yes,
you see?
it is connected to each other.
Wow, that's so beautiful. And in the night time, it looks more prettier because of the litter.
Yes. So these were the few things which we learnt about
Australia. So today, let us also visit through our passport and let us see which child remembers.
But what? So now,
New Zealand.
Wow, that's so amazing, Gaurav.
very nice. So now you all have to remove your passport. Be ready with Fevicol and the cutouts which we have given you, as we are going to ask you about these things, and let us see who remembers what.
So we are going to call out the child's name one by one. Nobody unmutes their self. You can unmute only if your name is called. And let us get ready with our passport activity.
Yes. So now, first we will give chance to Rishan.
Rishan, come on, let's open up a page to India.
Come on, all the children, you have to open the page where there is India written on the top, and this cutouts you can spread out on your table so that you can easily identify each picture and monuments.
So Rishan, spread out all the monuments on your table and pick up what monument will come for our country, India.
So all the children, you also think till Rishan tells us the answer.
And also start sticking if you can find the continent. Come closer, Rishan. What is that, Rishan?
Can you please tell us?
Come again, loudly.
Say it loudly.
Very good.
So now all the children have to stick Taj Mahal under the page India. And then let us ask Vani, what is the currency of India?
Manu say rupees. Manu, you have to say teacher what is it? Okay, she's not.
No problem, no problem. Yashika, what is the currency of India?
Rupees.
Very,
Very good.
Kanak, how many colors are there in India flag?
Orange, green, white, and blue.
Right, so parents, the name of the countries have been written on the passport.
And the name of the monument is also written below the picture.
Perfect. Very good, Kanak.
And now next is
Dubai.
So let us ask
Samaira.
Samaira, from the given pictures, what will come under Dubai?
Come on, let's spread up all our cutouts and see what comes in Dubai.
See what will come in Dubai.
Eiffel Tower.
No, this is not Eiffel Tower. This
We will
is
give you two options.
Okay, now come on, tell me which one will come in Dubai? Will you get a London Eye or Burj Khalifa?
say
Burj Khalifa.
Very good. Very nice, Samaira.
So now we all have Burj Khalifa in the Dubai page.
So come on, all my children, let us take Burj Khalifa.
Yes, very good, Trisha. I can see you have done it. Kyra is also done it. Very nice. What about others? Are you all sticking? Vedant, Abhir, Yatharth, Kian.
Good job, Vedant. The next page, let's go to Japan.
And let us ask.
Kabir Gaurav Mehra, can you tell me Japan is the land of what?
Sushi.
Yeah, but it is land of
What?
active.
Active. Volcano.
Yes. And let us find the yummy
Sushi, which will come in
Japan. Yatharth, we can eat sushi with what, beta? Do we eat sushi with spoon or chopsticks?
Chopstick.
Very good.
Come on, are you all done sticking with sushi? Show us if you are done.
Good
Very
job,
good,
Kian.
Trisha. Very good, Kian.
They have not asked me at all.
जापान में શું લખ્યું sushi
sushi.
very nice થોડુંક જ લગાડવાનું 4 dots જ લગાડવાનું
Yes.
Then the next, let's go to Egypt.
Yes, so now let us ask Vedant.
Vedant, what cutouts will come on Egypt from the given one?
Whether which cutout will come on Egypt? Egypt, what we can see in the Egypt? Show it to teacher, no? Which one will be in Egypt? What is this?
Mountain.
Mountain nahi. What is this?
Is it pyramid or is it volcano? Look at the photo. Look at the photo. Do you think it is a volcano or a pyramid?
Volcano. Volcano.
It's not volcano. You can't see fire there, no? It is no lava. What is this?
It's a pyramid. Come on, say. Yay!
And I can see Riva has already struck the pyramid.
Abir, are you sticking and making your passport ready?
So, all of you, are you done with sticking pyramid? Yes.
Good job. Then we have Yukta. Yukta, what is there in Kenya? Do you have anything in Kenya in the cutout?
Yes, do you have anything?
Yeah, no. Yes, I know. Kabir Mehra, yes, we know there is nothing cut out given for Kenya because we want you all to tell us what will come in Kenya.
To remember how Peter has dressed up. Yes.
Lions.
So, how many animals were there? If you remember, 10, 5 or 15?
5.
Yes. And which were they? Who can tell us the 5 animals?
I'll give you the first one.
Lion. Elephant.
Yes, Riva, you can say one.
Rhino, lion, elephant.
Leopard.
Yes.
Leopard.
Rhino.
Rhino.
Good job, Yukta. I could see your lip sync, Radhatika lip sync. Buffalo. That's the Cape buffalo.
Very good. But here we are going to make
A beautiful Maasai necklace. So come on, all my children, get your crayons or your sketch pens and let's make a beautiful necklace right in Kenya. Come on, all my children, let's be more creative.
Come on, you can just make some nice, beautiful necklace as you like.
Come on, Kanak, come back.
And you all can draw and show us, and we will also show you. So the Maasai tribes wear such beautiful necklace and the headgear. Come on, all the children, are you making? Kanak, are you making necklace? Yes, Kanak.
Come on, I want all my children to be as creative as possible because even we are making the necklace. Wow, your necklace is so pretty, Kanak and Samaira.
Very nice. And I can see Kanak has also written big 5 in that on that page.
Oh, wow.
Very nice.
Kanak, let's draw the big 5 however you know. Don't worry, however you know, let's draw the big 5.
So parents, you can also write the name of the big 5 so that whenever they open the passport, they can just remember what we have learned. Come on, Riva, are you making the necklace? Very good, Vedant. Very good, Vani. Very nice, Kaira. I can see you all making the necklace. Very good, Kabir. Very nice.
Good job, Vedant. Very good.
Kian, are you making? Yes.
Abir, are you making the necklace?
Very nice, Vani. Very good. Very good, Abhir. All the children are so engrossed in making the necklace. Who else is done? Please, can you show? And Samaira is using some decorative materials.
Good job, Twisha.
Very good, Twisha. Very nice, Riva.
Excellent job.
And write the 5 animal names also so that we can remember when we open our passport.
Which are the 5 animals?
Come on, can you think and recollect? Come on.
Yes.
Leopard,
Yes.
lion,
Yes.
rhinoceros,
Yes.
Rhino, yes.
and
Which animal has got long tusk and a long trunk?
elephant,
Yes.
And cape.
Buffalo.
no.
Come on, all my children, get set. We've drawn our necklace. Oh, that's so pretty, Kian.
Very nice. Very good, Kabir. Very nice.
Thank you.
Good job, all my children. You guys are so creative.
Come on, Rivan, can you please on your video, you have to stick the pictures.
Good job, Kabir Garam Mera.
Yes, Kyra?
I got
Very
Miss.
Very
beautiful.
nice.
Miss.
Very pretty, Diva. Good job, Yukta.
We have to do on USA.
Yes, we will come on the USA. Let all the other children finish the Kenya part.
Then, so Rivan, you have removed your passport and the cutouts which we have given. So you have to stick, you have to stick the cutouts in their respective places. And yeah, you have to write the big 5 and draw the
Necklace. Good job, Yashika.
Very good, Yashika. Very nice. So now, let's go to our next country, that is...
Who can tell the full form of USA?
United States of America.
One second. Kanak, all my children mute yourself.
United.
All my children mute yourself. Kanak, what is the name? What is the full form?
of USA.
United States of America.
Rethink, is it United States of America? I'll give till I give a chance to Riva. Come on, Riva.
United States of America.
There is something more to it. Rethink and tell me till that time I give a chance to Kabir Gaurav Mehra.
Yes, Riva, you're saying something?
On United States of America.
Yes, you all are right, but...
There is one more word which you are supposed to say before United States of America.
Yes.
It is the United States of America. So parents, normally we've got vowels and consonants in our alphabet. So A, E, I, O, U. Parents, this is only for your information. You can start teaching your children also this, that whenever a word has got a vowel, united starts with a U. So it has got a vowel U in it. So always the THE which comes before a word with starting with a vowel has to be pronounced as the. So it is the United States of America. And you can say if it is, example, if it is Australia, then it is the Australia, or if it is some other country, say Canada. So the Canada, but whenever you have a word starting with a vowel, there has to be the pronunciation of the becomes the. So it is the United States of America.
Yes.
Kian, does United Kingdom have a the before it?
Yes.
It is only United Kingdom, only USA, that is the USA, has got a the before United.
So do remember this nice things which we are teaching you. And now who can tell us what is going to come in USA? So let's give chance to Rivan.
Yes, Rivan, which cutout will come in USA for us to stick?
Ma'am, the Statue of Liberty.
Very good. So children, pick up Statue of Liberty and let us stick in the United States of America.
And I can see Vedant is already done. Riva is already done.
Next, let's go to Brazil.
So let us ask
Aria, how do you pronounce the monument of Brazil?
what will come.
Aria?
Can you tell us? Yes, Amira, you are right.
That's Christ the Redeemer.
And now let's go to next. That is
Today's continent, which is
Australia. So now Kyra is going to tell us what is going to come in Australia.
Yay, very good, Kyra.
Yes, I can see it in your hand. It is Sydney
Sydney
Opera
Opera
House. Very good, Kabir. Very nice.
And my favorite country, Italy. What
And
comes
there
in?
is something very, very nice and yummy which is going to come. That is
Pasta, pasta. Oh, yes. Looks
Good.
like Ian loves pasta.
Yes.
And then let's go to the next, which is France. And you have
What will
Yashika.
come?
Yashika, what is capital of France? Very good. And what is this?
What will come?
Very nice.
Good. And now we have Abhi. Abhi, can you tell us what are you going to stick in United Kingdom?
Capital of France? Excellent.
We are going to
Kingdom में what do you put?
What are we going to? What is it? Very
Yes,
good.
very good.
Kabir Mera. What is this, Kabir Mera?
Mera is like really famous.
Very good.
Antarctica is what? Very good.
And now last is Yukta. Yukta, can you tell us what in Antarctica?
Very nice. And the last what we stuck was Antarctica
And in that we have
polar bear.
So parents will request you to please take photo of your child on the front page and please write the name, as this is going to be the memory of their summer camp, and also they can go through this passport and remember the things which we have learned.
So what also you can do is once you stick your child's photograph here, do write a small detailed summer camp 2021 and your child's name so that that is one of our memory.
Very good, Reva. Very good, Twisha. Very nice.
Vani, what color is the polar bear?
Bye.
Very good. And now, since we did Australia,
Yes.
let us also do a kangaroo activity.
One nice activity in which we have to
You. All my children, remove your craft activity which has got a kangaroo on it.
Yes, I can see Rivan has already removed. What about others? So we are going to make this nice craft activity.
Yes, so you will have a paper plate and a baby kangaroo cutout.
And also one ice cream stick. Yes.
So what you have to do is, what shape can you see here? Just if I cover this, what shape is this?
Yes, Trisha.
Yes. And heart is normally represented with which color?
Ma'am, red.
Very good. So let's color red on this heart cutout.
So let's color this and then we are going to tell you what you have to do. You can color, you can paint, whatever you like.
So come on, all my children, let's color red on this heart. Wow, I can see all. Yes, the same one. Yes, Rivan. So you've got a kangaroo plate, a plate painted with kangaroo and a small baby kangaroo. Yes, so now let's color red. Let's start coloring red like this on the heart of the baby kangaroo.
Come on, Kyra, Arya, start coloring.
Come on, Abir. Yatharth, let's start coloring, darling.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I do my rainbow?
Heart normally represents red in color. So you can do your rainbow coloring right here on the plate once we are done with the eyes and everything. Is that okay with you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Kanak, let's color the full heart red.
Miss,
Yes.
you have to color the full body and the neck also.
Only till the neck area like this.
So,
Okay.
Children, let's color the, yes, Abhi, perfect. Let's color red. Come closer, darling. I can't see it. You can color brown. Very good, Yatharth. You can color brown on the face of the baby kangaroo.
so you,
Good job, Kian.
so you can use brown color, brown paint, whatever you have.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I paint?
Yes, of course. Good job, Reva.
Why you're not letting me paint?
No, it's all mess. एक मिनट अभी।
Can you please unmute?
Yes, Riva?
Yes.
Now, which color?
You have to color the face of the baby kangaroo brown like this. You can either paint, crayon, pencil color. Kyra, which animal is this, Kyra? On the paper plate? Very good.
Miss, what we have to color in the hands?
So the center part should be full red and the face should be brown.
So children, do you know what is a baby kangaroo called? Baby kangaroo is called
Joy!
Yes. Good job, Abhi. Very good. A baby kangaroo is called Joey.
And then you have to,
Now you've been given an ice cream stick. Now let's take the ice cream stick at the back of the baby kangaroo, that's the Joey. Have we stuck the ice cream stick? This is a small puppet, and once let's do foo-foo, let's blow it up and let us just get this thing dried up.
yes.
Come on, let's blow.
Very good. Blow, blow, blow. Very good, Aria. Very good, Kian. Very good, Aria.
Come on, let us put out all our energy and do foo-foo.
Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
For my kangaroo to make it will take a bit time as the paint has to dry.
No
No
problem.
problem.
Till that time, whoever has used paint, what you can do is you would have also eyes for the kangaroo. Let us take the eyes to the kangaroo.
First, we have till this ice cream stick things dry. Keep it aside and we will stick eyes of kangaroo.
And if you've used a paint, let's do foo-foo and let's blow it and let it start drying.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rivan? Rivan, your video is paused, beta.
Get the eyes.
You will have those eyes in your packet like this. You'll have googly eyes. You will have small googly eyes like these.
And we have to stick this googly eyes.
I guess there is only one eye, right?
There are two eyes, sir.
Okay. I just have one.
So children, if you think there is one or something missing, take a marker pen and let us draw on it. Don't worry, that's absolutely okay.
So we have to stick our eyes and then
See, teacher.
very
Very
good.
nice.
Very nice. Very good, Kanak. And Kanak already knows that we have to put this joy in the pouch. So there is one line cut out given over here. So we have to put our ice cream stick.
So let's
Yeah. Manager, pass.
So parents, I think the Fevicol is going to take a little while to dry up.
Very good, Kian. Very
बस
nice.
नीचे रख सकते तो बच्चे हो गए.
Look at this. Our kangaroo has got its baby in its pouch.
Yes, and if you want, you all can decorate the plate from side. You can make some clouds. You can just dab whatever you like.
Rivan, you can do your rainbow thing right here around the kangaroo.
Rainbow.
इनको डाले
Yeah.
हमसे दियो कुछ करो ब्लू करो.
No. Just see mine.
So pretty.
Very nice.
And you can make the baby move like this from the back.
Yes.
Yay.
It's looking so nice. So you can hold the plate and move baby kangaroo.
And which is called the Joey.
Very good, very nice. Very good, Riva. Very good, Kabir. And now we have to make one more thing.
And that is one more animal, which is koala.
Yes.
So for that,
We will be needing one plain A4 size paper.
yes,
Teacher.
yes. Yes, Yashika, that looks so pretty. Now come on, let's fix that Joey in the cut.
Which is given over there.
Yes, put the ice cream stick in. So now the
See mine.
mama kangaroo has got its baby in its pouch.
Very good, Kabir. Gaurav Mehra is looking nice.
Now let us make koala on a tree. Yes, yes.
Yes.
What do we need for the polar bear?
Polar bear, no,
No,
koala.
koala. We are making koala. We will tell you what do you need.
You need one A4 size paper.
You need gray color paint, and if you don't have gray color paint, you can mix black and
White. More of white, less of black will make the color gray.
yes. And then after you are ready, we will tell you what you have to do. Are you all ready? Yes, I can see Yashika is ready. What about others? Are you all ready? With your paper, paint, sketch pens? Yes, I can see Kyra is saying I'm ready. Kanak, are you ready? Twisha, are you ready?
Kian, are you ready? Oh, that's so cute, finger puppet, Kian.
Wow, very nice.
Did you make it?
Yes.
Wow.
It's looking very nice.
So today we are going to give that koala bear a friend. So children, are you ready with the paint and the paper? So what you have to do, parents, you have to help your children. Use your right hand. Parents, please paint your children's right hand. So I'm going to be painting Riya teacher's right hand.
Come on, parents, please paint right hand of your children.
Ma'am, with which color?
Great.
Gray. If you don't have gray, use black and white. Mix and make it gray.
More of white, less of black will make it gray.
Thank you.
And then you have to stick the imprint line. Press it hard.
Teacher is not Abidal. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Yes.
So sorry, children. So now, once you get your imprint done, you can then make a bark of a trunk of a tree, a bark of a tree, a branch.
So you can draw and give them and they can color it inside.
Parents, can you see this? So I have made a branch of a tree. Then children can color a brown paint inside. And now we are going to make the face of koala. So what are we going to do for the face of koala?
So you will require black color marker or a sketch pen. We are going to make eyes and ears.
Miss, can you show the branch again?
Yes. Can you see it, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Very good, Kanak. Once everyone is done, we are going to show you. Very nice. Once you are done, you first wash your hands and come, and then we are going to tell you what you have to do.
Come on, all my children, quickly first go wash your hands. Don't run. Be careful. Go slowly. Come back. We'll wait. Don't worry. Kian, the kangaroo and the koala look so pretty. Can you also start making this activity, Kian?
Very good, Kabir.
Good job.
Is this okay?
Good job, Kanak.
Thank you. Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show me the tree branch?
Yeah.
Ma'am, you can't see your full shape.
Yeah. Is it okay now?
No.
Okay, I'm getting it more a little closer because you have to now paint in this branch so that then it'll look more pretty and it'll highlight.
Very good, Twisha. I can see you doing.
Ask her.
So now we will show you how you are.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Can you come closer, please? Yes, Abir. Now we will tell you how you have to make a face. This is right. Very good, Twisha.
So now, all my children, once you are done,
So this is how you have to make the face on the thumb.
on the thumb, just paint with that same gray color, just make a circle and 2 ears like this.
Can you see?
So just draw a circle like this and make the ears of the koala.
On the thumb.
Once this dries up, you can use a marker pen to make its eyes and nose.
But let it dry. So you have to make face and ears on the thumb.
Teacher, you are on mute.
So sorry, ma'am.
So you can use white color paint or whitener to make eyes, nose and mouth. We are going to show you. Very good, Vani. Very good, Kyra. Very nice. Come on, Riva. Are you doing? Very nice, Yashika.
So we've just used a whitener to do this.
So you can use white color paint or a whitener to make eyes, nose and mouth.
Perfect, Abhi. Very nice. So once this dries up, you can either use a black color marker or a whitener if you have, or also you can paint it with a white color.
Yes, so now I can see Abir has made. So Abir, now you have to make eyes, nose and mouth with white paint. Come on, Kanak, now you have to make.
I'm going to show you. Look at this. I've used a whitener.
Very good, Kyra, very nice. And once everyone is ready, we are going to hold both the things in hand and take photo. That is koala and kangaroo.
Good job, Vani. That looks so pretty.
Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes.
made my kangaroo puppet.
Very pretty. So now you can put the Joey, that is a baby kangaroo, in the cut what is being given. Yes. So fix it in this so that the kangaroo has got its baby weight in the pouch.
And I can see some of them
Ma'am,
are
I'm coloring the down part.
Oh, very pretty.
Very nice. Very good, Twisha.
Once my children are ready, you can hold both the things and let us all take a beautiful
photo.
Good.
Very good, Kabir. Very nice.
Good job, Kanak. That koala is looking so pretty. Very well done, Kyra.
Very good, Kabir Gaurav Mehra. Very nice.
Wow, so Kabir Gaurav Mehra, your one of the koala has a beautiful.
Very good, Abir. It is looking very nice.
Good job, Kian. Kian, your koala has got a friend with it.
Very good, Kabir Mehra.
Yes. Yes.
It has not dried.
No problem. Once it dries up, you can give it eyes and face and nose, okay?
Very good, Yashika. I can see you doing it. Very nice.
Come on, all my children. Since these animals are fascinated, you guys are getting fascinated with these animals, how about getting more fascinated and getting to learn more about watercycle, manners in the third week of our summer camp?
Yes, but with a twist in a toon format.
So all my cartoons, the Disney World cartoons, are going to teach you manners, watercycle in a different way. So let's
Yes.
gear up and start registering for week 3.
Very good, Kyra.
Very nicely done. Arya?
I'm convinced.
Come on, let's all hold.
Kanak, come back. Let us hold the koala and the kangaroo and let us take a beautiful picture.
Come on, let's all hold and take one nice, beautiful picture.
Kian, hold it together, darling.
Come on, Vedant. Where is your kangaroo? Come on, Rishan. Hold it little up. Come on, Abir.
Yashika, come on, hold up the kangaroo.
Come on, Kanak.
Samaira, hold up the kangaroo and the koala. One hand kangaroo, one hand koala.
Very nice.
Super. Thank you, all my children. We hope that you enjoyed going around the world and learning continents. Yes. I'm so sorry. Can somebody, who was talking? Can that person please unmute?
Yes, very nice, Yashika. Your koala is looking very nice.
Yes, Kabir Gaurav Mehra. Most welcome, darling.
And thank you all the parents for your amazing cooperation.
And thank you to all my beautiful children for sitting. Please.
register third week, Mama.
Thank you to all my.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
What is this for?
That was a necklace, darling, for Kenya.
You were absent. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, you.
Okay. Yeah, she was absent.
Yes.
Can we do this
Yeah, we'll do it.
now?
Thank you to all my children for being such amazing angels and attending the week 2. Start getting yourself registered for week 3.
And hope you all enjoyed. And now let's all stand for our national
Anthem and respect our country.
Australia. Yes.
No. Is it Australia?
Yes.
No.
No. Then.
India.
Yay! So let's all stand straight. No moving, no dancing. Let us respect our country, India.
Someone is saying thank you.
Yes, darling. Let us first finish our national anthem. For all my children, no moving, no dancing, no jumping, stand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rebecca.
I want to show you something, the craft I made.
Joe?
Yes, you can show.
Till that time, thank you, parents. Thank you, my lovely children, for attending week 2 and being such amazing children.
Yes, thank you so much for all your cooperation. Hope you enjoyed.
Bye, miss. I enjoyed a lot.
Thank you. Till that time, come on, we can say a thank you prayer. We should not forget thanking God for every day.
Yes. Thank you.
God for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, mummies and daddies. Thank you, God, for everything. Yes, everyone, did you get your craft? Wow, that is so pretty. Is that what is it?
It's a ninja star.
Oh, it's a ninja star. Wow.
Very nice.
Show you how it flies.
Oh,
Thank you, teacher.
it is like a spinner also.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, I can see Kyra saying thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am. Thank you, teacher. Say thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
John.
Once my brother platform with ice cream sticks. We went down to play with it to test it, but we only found a dead snail.
Oh, wow. It also looks like the Beyblade, right? It spins like a Beyblade.
Yes.
Yeah, but it flies.
It flies, yes. Even I love playing with Beyblades.
And I can see Kian is showing one lovely craft which he made.
Wow, that is so pretty, Kian. Oh, that's a boat?
You teacher.
Thank you, little